Hi, this is Dani from Fun-Keys, and today I want to tell you what a guitar is. Before we start, please click the subscribe button to get more musical tips every week. A guitar is a plucked string instrument and it looks like this. It has that name because we basically pluck the strings. The guitar parts. The guitar is like a human. It has a body, a neck and a head. Along the whole guitar we've got the strings, which we attach down here at the bridge. Then take all the way up here to the head and attach them to the tuning pegs. Along the neck we've got the frets, which alongside with the strings allows us to produce different notes. The closer to the body, the higher the note. Then we've got the sound hole, where the sound enters the guitar, reverberating inside the body, so we can hear it loud and clear. Guitars have 6 strings, each one a different note and thickness. If you ever saw a 12-string guitar, it's only because they use 2 of each string to produce a richer sound. And if it has 4 strings, don't get confused, it's a bass guitar, which is a completely different instrument. Depending on what kind of music do you want to play, there's different kinds of guitars. We've got the acoustic guitar, the classical guitar, or an electric guitar. And if you're interested in playing guitar, I will personally teach you. Just visit our website and enroll in our online guitar lessons. And if guitar is not your cup of tea, we also teach piano and music theory. Do check it out. Have a good one. Bye bye.
Get down to the funky sound.